It's Dr. Rick, and behind me is the meeting room at the Saguil Stairs in Palos Hills. So I am intending to have a group meeting, whether it's here or at the Endorphin Effect in Bartlett. I'm out here in the rain because you gotta train. I've already purchased my ticket for Colorado in August, and if I'm gonna tackle 14,000 feet, I can't let rain stop me from training. I mean, there's nothing that really will train you for 14,000, but just persistent or repetitive inclines, and that's what I'm going to do. So this is kind of the closest place. I don't think that there's a mask requirement. You follow the CDC guidelines if you got immunized already. Second set of vaccine for Pfizer, Moderna, or one set of vaccines for Johnson & Johnson. I'll be doing a video on that soon for those of you who have questions. So before I get out of breath, just wanted to give my warriors an invite. So anybody that is a warrior with Herbal411 is allowed to come in August to Colorado. Going to be touching down in Denver, and then I'm thinking about Gray's Peak, possibly Mount Beardstead. So they're both 14,000 feet. You kind of start at high level anyway, but there's at least 2,000 to 3,000 foot elevation over 2 to 3 miles. So it's important to train. And if you're in Chicago, this is okay. So up and down both sides will at least get your quads ready for explosive and endurance. And if not, you can certainly choose a stair stepper in your local gym or just train. But regardless, if you're coming with me, you have to pick a buddy to go with you that is trained about the same as you. I can't be responsible for everybody to be in alpha group. We're going to the top, but I want to have people at least have options. So if you can find somebody that trains the same speed, the same interval as you, ask them if they want to come. Otherwise, just this short burst is enough to get you a shorter breath. Repetitively doing this over and over again will get the lactic acid tolerance a lot higher. If you do take on a mountain in Colorado, you won't get hurt. Hitting the wall is a form of injury, and psychologically, if you don't make the goal, that's kind of a form of injury, but it motivates you to really try for next time. So this is it, Saguil Cliff Stairs, Palos Hills, no entrance fee. I'll announce the training schedule to meet here for the summer. It's probably gonna be once a week. Other than that, you're on your own. As far as eating properly, always shooting for some form of endurance, lactic acid tolerance, and VO2 max. I'll have some videos on training later, but this is just an open invite for my warrior family. Think about it, even if you don't go to 14,000 feet, we'll all meet at the trailhead, start with our individual groups. My alpha team will ascend first. The others, if you fall back or take your own pace, that's okay. But that's why you need a buddy. And water, fuel, communication, place to stay. So hopefully this gives you a couple ideas. If you have any comments, put them down below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the clinic.